welcome back. So I recently did a video on picking dimple locks, and I talked about buying cheap, dimple locks on eBay. So I got me to thinking, well, I haven't done that in a while, so I jumped on eBay and found the cheapest dimple lock I could find, which just so happens to be a $13 Baton 70mm dimple key superior space lock. Ooh. So anyway, it says 2 different keys included, guaranteed, recommend for large facility, lifetime limited warranty. Let's see. On the back, 70mm, let's see, rust-proof, laser welded, stainless steel body, and interior construction. Hidden case, hardened steel shackle that provides a tough bolt cutter and hacksaw resistance. Double locking protection. I don't know about the spring-loaded stud steel cylinder cam, but okay. Spring-loaded, huh? Okay. 14-pin dimple key tumbler. That was the part that got me. Okay, 14-pin dimple. Cool. And key removable only in lock position. So, alright. But this is the, let's see what we got here. For $13, I have my doubts, guys. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright. Well, let's look at that key. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5, not 14. So I'm not certain where they got their 14 from. Okay. I think that bitting's the same on both sides. Yeah. Okay. So, I don't see a 14 pins. I do see that it says space lock and stainless steel, which, it feels pretty heavy duty, but it says hardened shackle. Let's see something here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's pretty hardened. I'll give him that. Works fine. Doesn't work the smoothest, but it does work. Well, let's see if we can pick into it, since I'm only counting 5. So, 14? I don't know. But, pretty tiny little keyway there too, though, and I do like it's got warding, so might be a little challenging to get past some of that warding, but I think we can figure it out. Again, warding is your friend. Let's see. Let's find, what tension wrench do I want to use here? Well, there's my tension wrench that I like. Oh, I got him over here. Okay. Alright. Let's see here. The pins. Let's check that out first. There's my flat flag. A little too small for my flat flag. I'm going to use... Let's try this one. Yeah, that's what I want to use. Okay, this is my very slightly curved flag, because it is a little thinner there. You can see it'll make it easier for me to get to those pins because they are resting all the way at the top there. So I'm pushing those down. At any rate, let's see here. If it turns, oh, I guess I didn't check to see if it was key retaining, and it is, so that's good. Alright, so it turns that way. I will be putting my tension wrench in like that. I like that. That'll work. And you know what? I'm going to pick it in the hand because it is a disc lock. And disc locks, I kind of have to. I don't like the way they fit in my vise. So, I will do, let's zoom in for you guys. Do what I always do, which is with dimple locks, I try to go kind of heavy tension and go in and search for a binder here. It is a tight keyway, I'll give them that. Okay, I got a little bit on 3 there. 2. I think that was 4. And I'm only counting 5. Well, I just overset a little bit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let off like I always do. Come back and find the binder. Okay. I think I overset. I'm going to reset. Okay, that was 4. I think I just overset 3. Okay. Not getting any definite clicks out of this thing. Oh, there was a click on 4. 3. Oh, okay. Apparently I wasn't holding my mouth right. But I did get into it, so I didn't feel 14 pins though. So I had to work a little bit for it though. A tiny keyway did help a little bit. It does have a hardened shackle. Not too bad, but definitely not 14 pins worth. So at any rate, there is the Baton Space lock. Honest review there. Of course, it won't lock back up until I... There we go. And showing that it is still in good working order there. Interesting little lock for $13. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and well, don't break the law.